Fundnel app. The pros, the cons. Fundnel is an investment platform focused on connecting startups with investors, but is it a practical choice for everyday investing? Starting with the pros. First, access to private startups. Fundnel gives investors a chance to participate in early-stage funding, which is usually reserved for high-net-worth individuals. Second, curated deals. The app carefully screens opportunities, offering higher-quality investment options and reducing risk compared to random crowdfunding platforms. Third, transparency. Fundnel provides detailed financials and background on each startup, helping investors make informed decisions. Now, the cons. One limitation is high risk. Startup investments are inherently volatile and can result in total loss. Another drawback is limited liquidity. Unlike public stocks, these investments can't be sold easily, tying up your capital for years. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate the risk-reward balance in startup investing. While returns can be huge, losses are equally possible, making Fundnel suitable only for those with high risk tolerance. In conclusion, the pros: access to startups, curated deals and transparency make Fundnel exciting for sophisticated investors seeking alternative opportunities. The cons: high risk and low liquidity mean it's not appropriate for conservative investors or those needing quick access to funds.